Hello guys, my name is Chinedu Uzorue. So I built this Solana yield farming intelligence dashboard. So what I was trying to solve is to bring all yield farming opportunities on the Solana blockchain, where users can see the top opportunities and they can leverage on them to make profit. So it comprises 3 tabs. The first one shows the top yields, as the opportunities with the top average percentage yields, and we have them here with the different categories that they fall under. The second tab has to do with the overall analytics of all the yield farming opportunities on the Solana blockchain. So this is the present total market cap of all the protocols offering yield farming opportunities, last 24 hours volume, and this is the total number of protocols. In the last 24 hours, the average percentage yield has gone up 5.2%, the risk index has reduced by 1.2%, and the market sentiment is bullish. So this gives the average yield in the last 7 days, and this gives the TVL by the categories of the protocols. These are the major protocols. This is a scatter plot of risk versus reward analysis. So for the top protocol, so you see the risk index and the reward percentage. The past 24 hours, these are the top 3 performing protocols. And finally have this where users can optimize their portfolio by running a quick analysis on how to spread their investment capital. So I'm going to select 5,000 as my investment capital. The risk tolerance, I'm going to put it as moderate, and I'm going to put my time horizon as 1 year. When I click on the button, it's going to run the analysis for me, giving me the expected APY, expected annual yield, and total positions. So this gives me how to spread my money. So $1,250 in Marinate stake, $1,000 in Radium, $750 in Lido staking, and $750 in Orca. So the combination of all these will give me an estimated 32.8% APY with an annual yield of 1,640. If I change this to low risk and I change this to, let's say, 3 months, and I run it, give me something different. So the APY has reduced because we are being conservative. The annual yield has reduced as well, and have these positions. Also, I can change the theme of the app from dark mode to light mode. So I want to thank Analytic Sages for the opportunity to be able to build this, leveraging from the knowledge that we gained in the Python for blockchain data analysis cohort 1, where we learned how to use fast API to build back-end endpoints, and then using Vessel VO to build the front end using Vibe coding.